Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Landon here. This video is going to be all about my dog. He might not look at you that much. Raphael, look! Raphael, look at the crowd. Look at him. Okay, look it. Raphael. Did you see him?
Good boy, Ralph. Good boy, Raphael.
That's from my dog. Here, bring him into the light. Raphael, come here. Come here, Raphael. Raphael, come. Raphael, look. That's my dog. Okay. 37 seconds so far. 9, 40, 41, 42, 43. Okay, so I'm just kidding. It's not all about my dog. I mean, I could do a video like that.
No.
Not a face reveal video since right here. I mean, I could do one of my dad, my grandma, and my brother. And April 23rd, I think, I did not have a calendar to keep time on. Just to let you guys know. So sometimes I might get completely another day for you guys, okay? And sorry for the pointing. Then my brother's behind me doing something.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, see him? He's like right here. That's my brother. You guys already know him. He just went, ow, stop.
Guys, be nice. Please stop it.
He's hitting me though.
Guys, Joey,
That's my dad yelling at me.
Joey, that stuff won't last, okay?
Okay. See you guys next time.